miss you too. You forget about me.
I don't forget you, my love. I love
You
you so
forget
much.
me. You forget me.
I
I'm
don't,
sad.
baby. I don't. It's
I
irresponsible.
said you forget me.
Leave with him outside. From now, remember, job.
How are you
Listen.
today?
Oh my God. I'm okay, baby. I'm doing good. As soon as I see you, my love. As soon as I see you, I feel happy. I feel like it's like the sunshine. I feel like I meet the girl of my life. So, c'est l'autre fait hypocrite. Ou par contre, mon montre contact avec.
For how many girls do you say that today?
You know, I say this to only you, my love, because I love you and
No,
I care
you
about you.
didn't. I know you.
I swear, my love. What do you bring for me today? What do you have for me now?
For you.
Yeah, tell me.
Just my beautiful face.
Oh. Okay, can you blow me a kiss, please?
Guess I'm on my
Why?
I'm shy.
It's please, just a little bit. Get closer a little bit. Get closer to the camera. Get closer.
you now. I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on
I will have to leave. I will have to go though.
You have what?
mighty glad.
I will have to let you go.
What? You forget me about me again?
But can you just talk to me? Can you show me love? Can you show me that you care about me, please?
Are you getting me shy today?
Oh.
It's time for me to
Guys, you pose me comme bon Dieu.
guess I'm on
Oh Jésus, faites quel argent non Jésus? Crasez les modes dans mon. Vous allez votre chavirel. Dépatcher les modes bon. Quand j'ai petit là. Quand visage si vous êtes la cage non grand nèg retirer la terre. Il est mon faux millionnaire.
mighty glad you stayed.
Oh mon Dieu, quand visage si mon nan. Il croit dans faux millionnaire. Look, let me tell you something. Do you
Tell me.
do you love me for my money or you love me for who I am? You love me for this or for who I am?
I love you for who you are.
Eba Poulage. Oh really? So you don't love me for this? This is bullshit.
No.
Oh, Eba Amen Poula. That's Poulage, Eba Poulage.
I'm coming to stay. I'm stuck on you.
Baby, I'ma let you go and I will talk to you again. Okay, my love.
Okay, bye. Have a good life.